Hey, great day to you. So how to import data from Shopify to QuickBooks Online? Well, down in the description of the video, I'm going to have a link for you for a really cool connector app between Shopify and QuickBooks Online and other platforms that's called Link My Books. There's a free trial down in the description and also a 50% off for 3 whole months for Link My Books coupon code there as well. Basically, this tool helps you import data from your Shopify or Amazon shop, TikTok shop, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, Square, or WooCommerce to QuickBooks Online or to Xero for accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. Save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So again, free trial in the description with the best discount. This tool can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers. Hence, we have created some tutorials for you. That's myself, Vova Evan, great to meet you, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder and CEO of Link My Books. We have created 2 videos for you. The first video is going to show you how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers. It's a 30-minute tutorial that shows you step-by-step how to do it for Shopify sellers, or as we mentioned, it also works with Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, eBay, TikTok shop, and also, as I mentioned, WooCommerce and Square. So the first tutorial of 30 minutes is going to show you how to use it for e-commerce sellers. The second tutorial here down in the description, all of them are linked, by the way. Also myself, great to meet you, Bob Evan, and Daniel Little here with us again for tutorial for bookkeepers and accountants. And this tutorial shows you, if you're a bookkeeper and accountant, how to use Link My Books as a bookkeeper and accountant, because this tool is good for sellers, bookkeepers, and accountants. So this tutorial is linked down for you in the description as well. So again, import data from Shopify and all those other platforms to QuickBooks Online. Check out free trial of Link My Books down in the description, and also check out the great coupon code that saves you 50% off for 3 whole months. Have a great day, and I'm wishing you great luck in your business. Let's thrive, let's go. Thank you very much for watching.